Meet the APEX 2000, built for serious cooling in mid-size spaces, delivering up to 30 degrees cooler air. Engineered to cool up to 2,000 square feet, with 6,700 cubic feet per minute of airflow, delivering a high-velocity breeze that can reach up to 60 feet. It stays impressively quiet at just 58 decibels, so powerful cooling never overpowers the space. With air velocity up to 28 miles per hour, the APEX 2000 is built to push cool air farther across large environments. Portacool's proprietary media design enhances water absorption and increases the rate of evaporation, improving airflow and velocity for more efficient cooling performance. With CoolSync technology, control the unit with Wi-Fi from your phone, adjust fan speed, set schedules, monitor water levels, and even manage multiple units. Smart water management keeps operations smooth with digital water level indicators and performance alerts. A 45-gallon reservoir, plus fast refills through the hatch or continuous hose connection, keeps the APEX 2000 running longer. Built to move and built to last, with built-in handles, durable wheels, lightweight housing, and an industry-leading warranty, including a lifetime warranty on the rotational molded housing. From garages and warehouses to outdoor events, construction sites, and sports sidelines, the APEX 2000 delivers cooling built for serious demands.